Alright, so we are number 21. It says if g of x is x, so go ahead and write this, 21. If g of x is equal to the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 3, and it's translated 3 units up and 7 units to the left, what would be the equation for h of x? Okay, so for this one, just by looking at this graph, my vertex, right, so this means you're going to go left, sorry, not left, right 2 and up 3. Why? Because on the inside it's horizontal and you do the opposite. So it looks like it goes left 2, but it actually goes right 2. And then this is vertical on the outside of the absolute value, so that means it's going to go up 3. So for your vertex, if I draw a little quick sketch, I'm going to go so if I draw a little quick sketch, I'm going to go right 2, up 3. So my vertex would be 2, 3. Now it says they want this to be translated 3 units up and 7 units to the left. So if I move this point 7 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then my new x coordinate is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so negative 5. And then it says it wants to go 3 units up. So if I'm already at 3, I'm going to go up 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. So my new point is going to be over here, right? 7, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So that would be negative 5, 6. That's my new point. So if this is my new vertex that I just shifted, I need to rewrite my equation as h of x. So it's going to be x. Now our vertex is minus 5, right? So I want to do x plus 5 and then plus 6. And that's my final answer. Alright, so let's look at number 22. For number 22, it just asks, what are the transformations of the parent function? Remember, your parent function is y, or f of x equals absolute value of x. So for A, right here, there's 2 transformations going on. You have the negative and the 3. Everything is in vertical land. So the negative on the outside is going to flip over the x-axis. So that means your graph's going to go like this, and then it's going to flip down. And so that's also called a vertical flip. And then the 3 is also on the outside, so that's also vertical. So vertical. It's a whole number bigger than 1, so that's a stretch. Or you could say expansion, same thing, by the number 3. Alright, let's talk about this one. We still have the negative on the outside, so that's also flip over x-axis, or a vertical flip. And then this plus 7 is horizontal land, so that tells you where it goes left or right. It looks like it goes to the right 7, but it actually goes left 7. Alright, next one we're going to start here, part C. You're on the inside, so it's horizontal land, so horizontal. Now, it's a fraction less than 1, so it looks like a compression, right guys? Usually if it was a vertical land, it'd be a compression. But remember, in horizontal land, it's opposite. So if it looks like a compression, it's an actual stretch. And it looks like a 1/5, but it's actually the reciprocal. It's 5. And then this on the outside is vertical. That tells you up or down, so this is going to go down 4. Alright, D, outside, so that's vertical, so I'm going to write vertical. Do exactly what it says. So it's a fraction less than 1, so this is going to be a vertical compression by what it says, by 1/2. And then this says x minus 6, so that means it looks like it goes left, but it's actually going to go right 6. because it's horizontal land. And then outside the absolute value, this tells me it's going to go down 1. Part E. So here it says x plus 7 plus 4. This right here is going to be horizontal land, so this is left 7. And on the outside, this is up 4. Alright, part F, right here. So inside, so that's horizontal land. So horizontal. It looks like a stretch because it's a whole number bigger than 1, but it's actually a compression. It looks like a 2, but it's actually the reciprocal 1/2 because it's opposite. And this minus 8 is down 8. Alright, that's it for this video.